We make the strings louder.
Welcome to part 3 of the Subaru Wrx build. So in this video, we are going to get it painted. Well, I guess Brandon's going to get it painted. I'm not going to get it painted. But yeah, there's a lot of little things that are going to be happening. So we're going to go ahead and get all the, the fenders, the hood, the bumpers, everything, prep those things because there was some pretty decent sized scuffs and scrapes on the front and rear bumper. So Brandon's going to get all that stuff taken care of. Lots of time lapse in this video, so I hope you guys enjoy that. Lots of work, lots of stuff actually happening, and it's crazy how long it actually takes to do all of this minor little stuff. Appreciate Brandon, working with me on this and kind of helping it. But yeah, definitely a cool little car, and it's nice to see it freaking painted. But stay tuned until the end. Be sure to check it out. And if you guys are interested in buying cars off of the Copart auto auctions, anything like that, if you don't have your own dealer license, you want to pick up like a wrecked daily driver or something, or a track car, Auto Bidmaster, use the link in the description and check that out. You'll save $50 off of your membership. Yeah, I guess enjoy this video, and I guess let's see what Brandon's up to. Alright guys, so Brandon just gave this guy a power wash. He obviously went ahead and blocked everything, gave it a nice little wet sand, pressure washed everything, get all the the grit and the dust and all that stuff out of it. So see, the trunk is off. He went ahead and he's still pulling some of these little dents on the trunk, basically just fixing this guy. But yeah, car looks really straight. Pulled the fender, hood, front bumper, all that stuff, because the front and rear bumper do actually need a little bit of paint as well. There's a little spot like right here in the back that had an issue, and then in the front looked like they kind of tapped something. So he's got the fenders and the front bumpers and everything over there. There's obviously the old hood and bumper, hood and fender, and I think this is the wing off it. So yeah, I think he's gonna paint it tomorrow night. Figured I'd just get a little bit of video while it's like this. Subaru is finally painted. Brandon got it all done this morning, so it's coming along. He basically just needs to pull in the bumpers, block the primer on those one last time, and we should be good. So fender and everything obviously looks real nice. Everything laid out real smooth. Looks real nice. Have to nib a couple little things out of it, but that's perfectly fine. But yeah, look at that. Freaking Subaru, look at that roof. Just nice putting like a new panel on it. And this one, this is the fender, it had a dent right there in the top. This stuff's still pretty wet too, so we can't touch it. But yeah, this whole side, all the bodywork on it, super straight. Yeah, now we should just be kind of on to assembly. So yeah, I know this was kind of a short video. Brandon's been pretty busy lately, and so have I, kind of messing around with like a lot of little tiny things with the Civic. But at least this will be a little bit of a, this is almost a real-time update, because you guys are getting this is the morning, and you guys are getting the video in the afternoon. So yeah, definitely appreciate you guys watching. Let me know, what do you think should happen to the Subaru? Should I keep it? Should I sell it? Should it be Jamie's Subaru? What do you think, Ty?
It's almost like a downgrade from her Saab.
Dang.
Well, she's got a V6 turbo.
Yeah, I mean 2.8 turbo all-wheel drive.
Turbo versus a
2.5. No, yeah, 2 liter. Wow. Yeah, you're right. Maybe that's why it felt slow. No, I guess these things, because it had a lot of like low end torque for like 1,000 RPM, and then it fell off. So a lot of people were messaging me telling me that you have to like tune these things, or that they just don't like it. So yeah, I'm definitely excited to get this thing out there and drive it around for a little bit. See if we'll mod it, see if we'll not. A lot of people, I mentioned that this thing might not be sticking around for a whole lot of time, and that we were bringing back the side hustle. So I don't know. We're gonna see. But I think that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and I guess we'll catch you in like 2 days with a freaking Civic update. You guys are gonna be stoked to see how that thing's coming out. But it's taken a little while.